So, yeah, we are good. Okay. So, hi, dear Scorpio. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 18th of August, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. And this is a reading for those who are in complete no contact or no communication. Okay. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Scorpio, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Emperor, Seven of Wands, Four of Cups, bottom of the deck, Page of Wands. Huh. It's like they're very upset about the blockage that you guys are facing in the situation, but they're putting on this mask, putting on this facade of I got my shit together, I got my life in control, I know what I have to do, I know what I want. And according to them, they are taking a stand for themselves. According to them, they are doing whatever they are doing for the sake of their own happiness, for the sake of their own respect, for the sake of not getting hurt again in the situation by anything or anyone. Although this person is very upset about whatever is happening between you guys, this person is putting on this mask of I don't care, I don't give a damn, I don't give a shit about Scorpio. Whatever is happening for my highest good. Whatever is happening for Scorpio's highest good. So everything is fine. Even though in the background, this person still feels like connecting with you, talking to you, even if it is just as a friend, being around you, getting to know about you. But at the same time, this person is quite upset about things are going. They're not able to connect with anybody as of now. Even if they're connected to other people, they're not able to connect with anybody the way they were connected to you. But putting on this mask of I don't care about Scorpio. Who's Scorpio? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Scorpio. We have the Strength card, the Ace of Pentacles, the Six of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Moon in reverse. This person wants to get the courage, get the strength to come towards you and offer you some kind of friendship kind of offer, and offer you this energy of okay, let's work together on something and let's make that work out. Might be you guys are working together in some way, shape, or form, or they have a business idea, or they want to offer you some kind of business idea or collaboration or partnership kind of a deal. For others of you, this person wants to uh, what should I say, accumulate the courage, the strength to come forward towards you and offer you something stable on the table. It's like this person does want to have you back in their life in some way, shape, or form. They want to get out of this fear. They want to, again, this is going to take them a lot of courage and strength to come forward towards you and offer you something, even if it is just a friendship kind of offer. And they want to do that. They want to come out of this fear. They want to come out of this energy of what if this will happen, what if that will happen. And they want to offer you some kind of start of a deal, some kind of deal. I don't know what that is. They're not telling me the deal, but they want to offer you something, okay, in a very, very positive way so that you can't even refuse it. But they have to have the courage and strength to do that, and they're trying their best to accumulate that strength. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 18th of August. We have the Devil, the Three of Wands, and the Four of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Swords. This person is trying to distract themselves from with other people, other situation. Instead of coming towards you, instead of feeling the situation between you and them, they're trying to distract themselves with addictions, or third parties, or going to like doing shitty things to distract themselves. I don't think this person is coming forward towards you to heal the situation between you and them. They're doing exactly the opposite of what they should be doing. According to them, by doing shitty things, by distracting themselves with third parties or addictions or parties, or just having casual sex or flings or something like that, they think they're healing themselves by doing all this shit. And they are in this energy of yeah, it's working, I'm not feeling the pain. This person is heartbroken, this person is kind of devastated right now, but they are trying their best to distract themselves by doing shitty things instead of taking their time to heal themselves properly. So I don't see any kind of action from this person's side. In fact, this person is going in the downward spiral, in the negative side, in the darker side, and kind of blaming you for everything. And they are in this energy of, yeah, I'm healing, everything is fine, everything is going to be fine. So I don't see any action. Instead of action, this person is going in a very deep and dark direction kind of a thing right now. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys here. Wheel of Fortune, just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Let this time pass. So, Scorpio, keep on reminding yourself, this too shall pass, this too shall pass, this too shall pass. This should be your mantra for this particular week. If you're waiting for a specific person or specific energy to come back around, this should be your mantra for this particular week. Okay, this too shall pass. Because right now, this, even if this energy is going to come back to you, they are coming towards you with a very unhealthy kind of energy, with a very unhealthy kind of pattern, and it is not good at all for you guys to reconnect at this present moment. Because again, right now they are trying to do everything negative in order to get out of this pain that they're experiencing. Okay, and they might project all the anger, all the negativity, all the toxicity on this connection. So it's better to let this time pass, let this situation pass, and maybe in the coming future you guys can connect with each other with a healed energy, with the evolved energy. Okay, so yeah, but this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.